Hello, in this video I'll show you how to do a factory reset on your RUGONE Xever 7 Pro. This video is to show you how to do it via the recovery mode. You can also do it with settings, of course, so I'll just show you where to click if you want to do it with the settings. It's easier that way, but in case you need to do it with the recovery, I'll get to that in just a little moment. In settings, when you go to system, reset options and erase all data, then you'll be able to erase your data here. But if you want to do an actual hard reset, then you will need to turn the device off. So that's just pressing and holding on the power button, then tapping on shut down, tap on it again, wait a little moment, and then we'll need to get to recovery mode. To do that, after the device is off, wait for additional 15 seconds, press and hold power and volume up at the same time. And now there will be a few things shown here. They are pretty small. I'll try bringing it closer to the camera. As you may see here, it says select boot mode, and basically use your volume up button. Sorry, I did volume. Yeah, use volume up to select. So use volume up to move between options, then press on volume down when recovery was selected there. I accidentally pressed on volume down already, but it was like recovery mode, it was already selected. Then you are in the recovery. Now use any volume up or volume down to move between options, and make sure you select wipe data factory reset and press on the power. Now go down to select factory data reset, press on power, and as you can see, it is formatting our data right now. And then select reboot system now, press on the power button and wait a little moment until it gets to the system. It may take a little moment for the device to restart, but after that it'll be all ready. And as you can see, the device was reset and it's ready to be set up. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.